Member Fatjaka. Hakimi bakinoi ki pop John Kaperte. Zup mengibaroi pelakon dengan Jingkawai Jongkuan Nang Broad.
But be seated in your place and pray that God will bless you. The communion is only for the Catholics. I request all the non-Catholics to please remain in your places.
Today I'm very happy to greet and to wish everyone a very happy Christmas. When we think of Christmas, everyone in the world accept that Christmas is the birthday of our Lord Jesus Christ, who came into this world to save everyone. Therefore, Christ by his love, he brings love to everyone. He said, God so loved the world, he who believes in him will be saved. Secondly, the Lord bring hope. He said, I have come to give life, give it to the full. That's why he bring hope. The Lord bring peace. There's so much turmoil in the world, but through his coming, he want peace everyone, in the family, in the house, in every individual person, that he want to experience peace. Then through the coming of our Lord, he wants joy. That is why Christmas time said joy to the world, that the Lord has come. Therefore, I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Christmas. Let us make use to be the instruments of love, peace, joy, happiness, and hope to everyone. A Merry Christmas to everyone. May the Lord bless every one of you abundantly. Thank you. Happy Christmas.